Navigate to the @Sign app using the app launcher and open the settings page. The first thing you need to do is figure out in which data center you're in. You can do this by navigating to Zoho Sign and see what extension the URL has. .com is the US, U is Europe, etc. We will set it up for the EU. At the bottom of the screen, you can see the callback URL. Copy this, we will need it later. Now let's create the connection in Zoho. Click on the Zoho API console. Now that we're in the Zoho API console, our goal is to create a new application, specifically a server-based application, so you can connect Salesforce to Zoho Sign. Let's give our application a name. We'll call it @Sign Integration. On the @Sign settings page, you'll find a callback URL. We'll copy that into both the homepage URL and the authorized redirect URLs. Then simply hit Create. Now, it's important to copy both the client ID and the client secret. Make sure to save these somewhere, as we'll be pasting them into your @Sign settings soon. Before we connect to Zoho Sign, let's quickly verify your data center. We need to make sure the authorized remote sites in Salesforce are correct. By default, our package includes EU URLs. If you're in a different data center, you'll need to create new ones. So as you can see, there are 2 remote sites in here. If you're in the US, you need those URLs with the .com extension instead of the .eu. Please do not edit the existing managed package remote sites, because when you later update the application, it could get overwritten. So let's create new ones, and if you like, you can delete these too. Once you've configured the remote sites of your data center, we can fill in the client ID and the client secrets that we created in the API console. Once everything is correct in the form here, you can press the Connect button. Then you will get redirected to the Zoho Sign application. Here, you need to accept to connect Zoho Sign to Salesforce. Once you accept, you will have an active connection. On the settings page, you can see some buttons on the top right. You can use those to force a sync with Zoho Sign. Normally, the sync runs every 15 minutes. If you configured the webhooks, it will run automatically on a change in Zoho Sign. You can also sync the templates or save this form again if you changed, for example, the public link. Following this, you will need to configure the Zoho Sign templates.